How to connect to HubSpot data using Designer. First, drag the HubSpot query component onto the canvas of an orchestration pipeline. Then navigate to the component's Properties tab. Basic and Advanced mode gives you the option to construct your query in two different ways. Advanced mode requires you to write SQL to query your HubSpot data. In basic mode, you can construct a query using the data source and data selection properties to select the data source and columns to use in a query. Then choose an OAuth for authentication. In this example, we'll be using an existing HubSpot OAuth. You can click Manage to review the OAuth connections and add new ones. When the authentication has been successful, you'll have access to the HubSpot data sources, and these can be found under the data source property. After the data source has been selected, the data selection property allows you to select specific columns from the data source. Then, under the target table property, choose the name of the table you want to load your HubSpot data to. Then select where your data is to be staged. In this example, we'll be using a Snowflake managed staging area. An Amazon S3 location and bucket can be selected if preferred. Opting to use S3 will reveal additional properties to configure the staging location. Also, now you can configure any optional properties if required. Then check the orchestration pipeline has validated successfully, then click the Run button to run the pipeline. Your HubSpot data will now be available in the target table defined earlier, ready for further transformations. For full information on the HubSpot query component and the Data Productivity Cloud, please visit the Matillion documentation site.